Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a dude named Strong Wind, and he wanted to get married, but the problem was he was invisible, and all the girls lied that they could see him, and this is how the story went.
Do you see Strong Wind?
Yes,
What is he carrying?
I do.
No, you do not see Strong Wind. Do you see Strong Wind?
Yes,
What is he carrying?
shotgun.
No, you do not see Strong Wind. Do you see Strong Wind?
No.
Wow, I am surprised. You are the first girl that hasn't lied.
No. Wait, he's over by that canoe. Willie. And Strong Wind decided to marry the girl in the rags, and they lived happily ever after. Woo-hoo! My name's Jack, and I was the two girls that lied. My name's Lily, and I was the narrator.
My name's Sarah, and I was a little sister. My name's Samuel, and I was Strong Wind's sister.